In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make buttons work on your Card.co website. If your buttons look great but don't actually go anywhere yet, this walkthrough will get them working properly. Start by heading to Card.co and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the site you want to edit. You can do this by clicking Edit this site or the pencil icon next to the site you want to work on. That opens the card builder where you can add and tweak elements. Inside the builder, look for the Add button, usually shown as a plus icon. Click it to bring up the list of elements you can add. Choose Buttons. This drops a button element onto your page so you can configure it. If you don't see it where you expect, check your Layers panel or scroll on the canvas. It might have been placed near the center by default. To customize the new button, click the small drop-down arrow on the button's toolbar or settings handle. This opens the button's configuration panel where you control its text, link, and appearance. In the label field, type the text you want people to see on the button. Something clear like Home, Learn More, or Go Back. Keep labels short and action-oriented so visitors immediately understand what will happen when they click. Next, move to the URL field. This is the most important part because it's what makes the button actually work. Type the link you want the button to open. For external pages, include the full link, typically starting with HTTPS. For another page you've built in Card, paste that page's URL. If you're linking to a specific section on the same page, you can use a section ID by typing a hash followed by the ID, like #about, as long as that section has a matching ID in your layout. Double check for typos here. One extra character or a missing letter will break the link. If the link is long, copy and paste it carefully to avoid errors. Once you've set the label and the URL, click Done to apply your changes. Your button is now configured and will navigate to the destination you set when visitors click it. If you want to add more buttons, repeat the same process. Add the element, open its settings, set the label, add the correct URL, and confirm. That's all you need to make buttons work on your Card.co website. Clear label, correct URL, and a quick confirm, simple and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy building.